We're starting out with a really nice round shape here, which is going to be the human face and a side profile. So you see the nose and one eye, and this is the blowing cheeks because this human is blowing on something. So you see the cheeks here and the mouth. Draw a few lines for the hair. You can make it long or short, but keep it very simple for now. We're going to add later some colors. I decided to fix up my chin because I didn't like the first sketch too much. So check for yourself if you needed to adjust the chin or not. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the sketch, so next I'm going to trace all my pencil lines with my Sharpie. For the next step, we are going to color in our girl or boy, whichever you drew. And you can choose whatever colors you want to color this in. I think I'm going to try these new markers I got myself. They're Crayola Super Tips markers. Here's my test paper. Ooh, that's a good skin color. I like it. Make sure you color in underneath the hair as well, because we're going to put the hair on top of it afterwards with a darker color. So I'm checking on my hair colors that I have. You could do a red as well. I don't know. Be creative. Oh, I like all of these. Maybe I'll use all three of them. I am using a white gel pen to create a highlight in my eye. For the next part, we will need watercolors, paper towel, water, and a brush. I'm clear washing my background with clear water. Be careful not to paint inside your head or the hair. And then I'm going to add my blue background. I'm ready to draw my first bubble, the one that the child blows out of this little loop. Go ahead and add as many bubbles, large or small, as you wish, as you like to have in your art. Next, we're going to use a bunch of different colors to color in these soap bubbles. I will show you an example on how to color this in so it looks like a realistic soap bubble. Start coloring in along the blue line of your bubble only. Very, very lightly, not strong. And then I'm going to switch to a different color. I'm going to turn my paper so it's comfortable for my hand. And yeah, let's put some pink in here, make it really colorful. Maybe I add some blue as well here. Mix it up very lightly. And guess what I'm gonna do next? I'm taking my white pencil. This is important. I have a white pencil. I'm going to blend these colors together now. I'm going to go on top of all my colors. And in this case, I will ask you to press really hard on the pencil. I'm going to put a nice highlight in here. Sort of a little highlight window. Color in the rest of your bubbles just the same way, but choose different colors. I recommend to use 3 colors per bubble. I think this looks fantastic. Make sure you sign your beautiful art piece. Well done.